you own a car, if you own a house, if you own anything, expenses are going up, not only taxes, but also insurance. So John is here with us today to talk about the rising car insurance rates in Rhode Island and ways you can save money. John, welcome back to the program.
Car insurance, just like any other insurance right now, they're all on the rise. You hit the nail on the head. I mean, inflation is kind of affecting all industries and all aspects of your household expenses, but insurance is definitely one that we've seen a lot in the past couple of years start to creep up and even in a lot of cases jump up quite a bit. Car insurance in Rhode Island is getting hit pretty hard. I saw a report last week, and one of the things that they had mentioned was in Rhode Island, we are the third highest rate in the country for car insurance. Out of all 50 states, we're number 3. That's probably a big impact on it. A lot of congestion, cars on the road, traffic accidents, that sort of thing. And when there's more accidents happening, insurance, has to pay out claims. And when there's more claims, they're paying more money. And when the insurance companies are paying more money, they're going to try and recover that and still be profitable. And they're going to raise their rates. And in Rhode Island, their loss ratios are, for the past couple of years, have been over 100% for a lot of the big companies out there, meaning that they're paying out more in claims than they're collecting in premiums. So they're trying to, get their rates increased to actually make money. It's definitely something to keep an eye on and important to try and figure out ways to save some money. First one I'll mention is to check out what your options are for bundling and consolidating policies together. If you own a home, if you rent an apartment, own a condo, if there are ways that you can combine those policies together and save some money, that's the first one you should check out. If you don't pay your car insurance in full every term, a lot of people have a 6-month policy. You may also have a 12-month policy. If you can swing it to pay the policy in full, there's substantial discounts for doing that. Another thing that I would say is worth considering right now is changing up your deductible on your policy. A lot of folks that I talk to have a what I would consider to be a lower deductible, either $250 or $500. And, if you've ever been in an accident recently or had to bring your car to a body shop, $250, $500 doesn't really get you very far. I mean, that's going to be a very small claim. And when we consider inflation and the cost of everything going up, it's all relative, right? Like that value of the dollar is being diminished. If your $500 policy is now $750 or $1,000, like the same principle applies to your deductible. And so it may not be worth it to be putting in small claims. You may be paying a little more than you need to for having a low deductible when some of these things you may not even be putting in a claim for anyways, because by the time you get it to the body shop, you realize it's not, it's just not worth it.